Hi everyone, it's svgcoop.com and we are back and we are ready to assemble our book. So I put my pile of pages in the order that I wanted them to be. And of course you can enter your pages in any order that you like. So I went ahead and I just put some score tape, a lot of score tape, on the back of each one of my pages. I'm basically just going to take the score tape off. Like that, and get this right on to my page. Okay, that's one. You're just going to do this for every page. And you just need to make sure that when you put them in, that your pages will line up the right way that you want them to. I'm eventually going to put a little stopper there to keep my tag from falling. Okay, next page. Way. Try and make it so you can see putting them in and getting the tape off. Okay, so our next page. I put a lot of score tape because once you add pictures and everything, your pages will get heavier. So in order to keep them from falling out, put a lot of score tape. Let's see, put that right there. Okay, on there like that. I'm going to put it this way. So I give this good rub on there. Almost done. Okay, next one. Okay, and there we go. That is our book, and now I'm going to make some accessories, I think, for it, but not going to decorate too much of the book until I have the photos that are going to go inside. So that's our book. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll be back.